In this first look video, we are going to check out a plugin called Better Search Pro by WeberZone. It's designed to supercharge your WordPress search experience, take the default WordPress search experience and take it to a whole new level. Before we dive into this, let me first tell you about First Look videos and we'll get started. First Look videos cover solutions that we have no prior experience with. They show vendors how new users experience their solutions, provides new users with initial setup tips and best practices, are unedited. We simply press record and publish whatever comes out. These are not official tutorials, though they do contain tutorial aspects. These contain no affiliate links. So does our, same as our website. We don't do anything with affiliate links, which is unique to us. These videos are not sponsored. We are not paid to do these videos. If you would like videos like this or other types of videos for your business and solutions, we make it super easy to get a free lifetime partner membership. Go to influencewp.com/partners. Okay, so we've got the product page pulled up here. I'm going to jump over to their homepage. So this is WeberZone, and just see what jumps out that I want to highlight, draw attention to, and then we'll dive in further. I always go down to the footer. It's just a habit because you usually get through all the typical homepage stuff. I like to go down into the footer, but we see here that they are on a lot of places. So they're making themselves easy to reach, which is great. Let's see here. We've got a blog. We've got a newsletter. Always like to check out the documentation. I like to see how easy it is to contact somebody. I like to see if there's an about page, and there is, and that's great. And I think we'll roll with that. Again, we're looking at Better Search Pro, which has a section here in the documentation right here. And it looks like we've got a lot of good stuff. Let's go into one of these links. Yeah, very nice. Okay. We've got a contact page here with a simple contact form. Good stuff. We've got an about page, and here's AJ. This is what I like to see, is faces with names. I've spoken to AJ a number of times. Seems like a really good gentleman and a solid developer from everything I'm hearing and reading. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's go under plugins and Better Search. And again, this is supposed to upgrade, enhance, supercharge the default WordPress search, take it to a whole new level. We've got a quick feature overview here. Seamlessly integrates with WordPress, your theme, whatever theme it is that you're using, replaces the default WordPress search. You can override search results pages, search everything. So it looks like it just, like it says, takes the WordPress default search and just does a whole lot more for you. Another thing you can do, it looks like, is track what your users are searching, and it does it in a private manner. So with privacy in mind. And then there's all kinds of other additional features here. We may or probably not going to look at all of these, but we'll just see what we run across as we naturally check out this plugin. All right, I'm going to move this to my other screen, and just in case we need to reference it for something. What I've done before I hit record is installed the plugin. I've not activated it, just in case there's something we need to see together. So let's go ahead and check it out for the first time. Okay, so you're taken to the dashboard. So this is going to be where that we just talked about, where that tracking the privately and privacy minded, tracking the searches of your users would show up here. I'm assuming that's what it looks like to me. We've got some quick links here to documentation, some FAQs, GitHub repository, and so on and so forth. All right, we have nothing to look at in the dashboard yet. So let's go over to, just go top to bottom. Popular searches, that wouldn't be populated yet either. Daily popular searches, that wouldn't be populated either. Tools. There's looks like a clear cache option. Clear the Better Search cache. This will also be cleared automatically when you save the settings page, okay? Recreate full text index. So you can recreate your index to get better relevant search results. This may take a lot of time to regenerate if you have a lot of posts. So if you have a really busy website, and you can identify maybe a time where it's less busy. Maybe you run that index during those times. Okay, let's keep on going down. Create tables. These buttons will create the tables with a better search. Okay. Recreate tables. If you need, a lot of this stuff is just, when you first start out, I'm guessing you don't need to touch any of this stuff. This would just be if you run across an instance where you need to do some of this. And then you've got some clearly marked here in red kind of danger zone stuff, resetting your popular searches table, resetting your daily popular searches table. And then backup tables. All right, we're going to skip that. Again, this is more like situational stuff. Let's go to settings. Lots of settings here. Let's see, enable seamless integration. Okay, enable live search. This option will enable you to live search features on your search form. Enable REST API, enable search tracking. Yeah, that's turned on. We'll just probably roll with the defaults. Track admin searches. I don't want to track admin stuff, so I'm going to turn that off. Track editor user group searches. I'm going to turn that off. I just want to track users at this point, users of the website, front end users rather than editors, authors, that sort of thing. We'll go with roll with the cache. We'll roll with default cache. Stop in search engine from indexing. Yep, that's cool. Number format count, link to better search plugin page. A no follow link to the plugin added as an extra list item to the list of popular searches. Okay, so that's just to help out the developer if you want to enable that. Let's save our changes. Let's go to search. Okay, so number of search results, post types to include. Okay, that's fine. We'll go with posts and pages. We'll go with the default here with that. Enable MySQL full text searching. Yep. All right, there's a lot going on in here. Inclusion options. I'm going to assume AJ set this up with the most popular settings that you would use to get started. So there's that. Inclusion options. Search excerpt. Search taxonomy. Search meta. That is a lot. Search comments even. That's a nice touch right there. Exclude password protected posts. Exclude categories, exclude post IDs, exclude category IDs, display options. Man, there is a lot. Well done, AJ. Length of excerpt in, okay. Banned word options, filter these words, okay. I'm going to take myself off the screen here at this point. Filter. So there's giving you an option to filter the words like, hey, let's don't search on this stuff. It's nice. Filter whole words only. Stop query on banned words. When activated, this option will return no results if includes any of the words that are banned above. I kind of like that. I'd probably turn that on. Let's not take up resources on our website and try to search banned words when they're banned, right? I kind of feel like that should be a default setting. Well, that's a nice touch. Modify. I don't think I've ever seen a plugin do that before. That is a nice touch. So they're showing that this setting is modified from the default setting. That is very, very nice. So when you're considering, resetting this plugin settings, those are the things you look at. Like, what if I changed? There's a heat map functionality. Include heat map on the search results. This option will display the heat maps at the bottom of the search results page. Display. That is cool. Okay. There's just a lot going on here, guys. Styles, you can add custom CSS directly to the search and search results. Let's go under account. Okay, that's the account pricing. Okay, we don't want to get into any of that. Okay, so let's disable the plugin. So let's go to plugins. Let's disable this. Let's do let's just testing. Okay, so we're going to deactivate this and look at the default WordPress search real quick. just to see like how you might do this if you want to use, the default WordPress search. So I'm going to edit the home page. I've got WordPress default, the latest version of WordPress installed and whatever comes with it. So we're, whatever themes, which is 2025. And we're just going to use the block editor here. I'm going to use a slash and pull up the blocks, and we're going to do a search for search. And we'll drop that in, save, view the page. With WordPress, or maybe you don't know that, but with WordPress, it comes with a default post called Hello World. So if we go in here, I'm assuming if I do a search for hello, it's going to come up, and there it is. So that's kind of the default WordPress search in a nutshell. You can do more with it, but that's pretty much it. Is what it is there. So we're trying to take that to a new level. Okay, do more with that. I mean, as you see here right now, you have the text search. I don't know what else you can do with this. Let's check out the block. I mean, other than design the search, I don't know what else you can do. The layout and whatnot. I'm not a developer. Maybe there is some things you could do if you're a developer, obviously. But we're looking at this from both a developer's point of view potentially, and a regular user new to WordPress potentially. But as we see here, there's not a whole lot you can do to this block. It's just searches, right? And I don't know where you define with this, like what the search results page would look like. So if I do another search in the blocks, search results title, maybe we can do something there. Okay, so let's see if that works. So what this should do is whatever it is that I search for, it should come up as a title. Okay, so let's do hello again. Here we go. So that's adding this right here at the top. Okay. Interesting though that I put it at the bottom, but it placed it at the top. So if I take this out, save, we should see this highlighted go away. Okay, so let's refresh this. And it didn't go away. So it looks like it's there by default. So maybe what that's saying is you can edit that. Okay, let's go back to search. Getting a little off track here. So maybe we can say, can we edit this text? I don't know. I don't know what this is doing. Thought maybe you could change the wording here. All right, you can change whether it's an H1. It'd be cool if you could change these words. All right, let's just make it really small. See if that works. Okay, do that. Refresh. That doesn't seem to work either. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but that's why you want to enhance the WordPress search. Okay, let's just clear all this out. Okay, let's go back, enable Better Search Pro. Again, we don't have anything we haven't searched with this, so there's nothing in the dashboard here to see. How do we get this on a page? Do we get this on a page? Maybe just enabling it? Okay. I think we may need to put that search block back. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this over. I'm gonna bring this over into a new browser. Let me fire up a new browser here. Let's drop this in. Let's do a search for InfluenceWP. Sorry, but nothing is found. Okay. That should register some sort of a search, right? So let's go back to our dashboard and update. There we go. So we've now got this populated, starting to populate. So we can do historical searches, whether it's today, filter out by yesterday, today, last 7 days, 14 days, all time. There's a link here to view all popular searches. There we go. Total searches, daily searches. You have another filter option, more filter options in here. You have an option to do a search the whole table. We can view the entry. That's cool. That's super cool. All right, so let's go over here to the browser again, and let's type in IWP. Let's go back and refresh this. Okay, so that's in there. So you saw when we viewed the entry here, it showed us what that search was. You know, like what exactly that looked like. That's cool. Okay. What else? Let's go under daily popular searches. So that's going to be in there, obviously. Whatever is the daily popular searches. So you got popular searches and then daily popular searches. Okay. What do we have under tools again? Again, that was for kind of like, you know, as you go, you find stuff that you need to do, whether it's clear the cache or recreate a table or something like that. So how do we do this other stuff? Let's find some documentation. Okay, styles. We've installed it. Better. How about search codes? So let's see here. We've got our search codes. Okay, let's try doing this heat map. I think we need to enable that setting though. So let's go back into the settings, heat map, include heat map in the search results. We'll leave that as is for now and see if we need to come back and do anything there. So let's do /, put in the shortcode block and paste in the heat map shortcode. Save. Let's refresh our homepage on the front end. There we go. Okay. So we see here that it created these links right here. Let's go back over here and let's turn this on. This option will display the heat map at the bottom of the search results page. Display popular searches to your visitors. Does not apply when seamless mode is enabled. Okay, what is seamless mode? Okay, so we have seamless mode turned on by default. Complete integration with your theme, enabling the option will ignore better search template. Okay, it will. Okay, let's turn this off and see if we can get this to display better. Let's save changes. Let's refresh our home page. Okay, let's don't do that, or let's leave that and let's go back to the heat map. Let's turn this on, include heat map on the search results. It said it won't work with the seamless turned on. We turned that off. So let's save our changes. Refresh the home page. Okay, I'm going to do another search over here for Ryan. Refresh this home page. And now we see that here. So I'm not really sure what we should be seeing. Is that what they consider a heat map? Let's see. So this heat map shortcode we put in, this shortcode generates a heat map of popular searches on your site. You can customize its appearance. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's go down here, see what we've got. Example usage. This example shows a heat map of the top 10 in custom font sizes and colors. All right. Let's try that one instead. Back to our homepage, edit the shortcode, and see what we get. Okay, didn't really do anything that I'm seeing. Okay. Let's find another one. Example use. This example wraps the search form in a, okay. So that's something different than heat map. Let's see, maybe you need to use an important declaration here. So let's do important. I'm not sure what cold it means, but let's drop an important in there and see. Save, refresh. Okay, so that helped. So it needed to override some styling somewhere. Click into that link. Okay. Okay. What else can we do here? Just checking out, see if there's anything in the heat map here. So you can color of the least popular search. All right. So let's change that to red. Let's do our most popular one. Let's do in green. Okay. Open links in a new window. Text to include after each. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's go back here and just do this straight heat map without any styling in it, and see if it takes on that red and green color. There we go. So right now it's saying that all of them are our least popular search terms. And that makes sense because I search for them all equally, right? So I'm going to go, I'm going to open another browser, and I'm going to do another search for my name. Let me see if I have another browser on here. Yep, I do. Okay, so I'm going to do another search for my name, and that should be green now, right? Because it's the most popular search on here. All right, let's refresh the home page. There we go. And it styles it differently. That's cool. Okay, so we're making some progress here. And, the docs are obviously really, really good from what I'm seeing. What else do we want to do here? We talked about the heat map a bit. Let's talk a little bit more about the search. So you can adjust all of the post types to include. We looked at all of those settings. Banned words. What if you? I don't want to bring up those banned words on my screen. Let's see here. I mean, you can see right off the bat, like all of these things that are available to you that are not available in the WordPress search. I mean, I showed you here. You get a search block and that's it. Like there's nothing else you can do. So um, there's just so much in here, and it's part of a first look video that I'll say it again, not meant to be a full tutorial, but mainly to introduce you to the plugin, the company, AJ, the developer, the owner or founder of the company, that sort of thing. I think we've accomplished that. There's just so much in here, and the documentation shows you just how much there is to do here. So basically, that's that. If you need to take your search to a whole new level, which you absolutely should, in my opinion, yeah, I mean, we just barely scratched the surface of what this thing can do. Let me look at the short codes one more time and get you out of here. Look at all the short code options, the things that you can do. It looks like he's got some related articles too. Wow, really, really cool. All right, hopefully I've accomplished enough here to get you excited about this plugin. I'm excited to use it, not just saying that, but for the websites where the search needs to be enhanced, like this is a no-brainer decision. So all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you are interested in being a partner of InfluenceWP, it's free for life. Go to influencewp.com/partners and be happy to connect with you. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.